Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will continue the example for rule of partial derivative. We look at example 7. Find fx and fy for the following. Fxy equals to y plus 2 over y e to the power of x plus e to the power of x plus 2y over x. First, we find fx. Fx means the partial derivative with respect to x. So to avoid confusing, we put variable x at the back. Okay? And we can separate variable and constant. And to avoid error, we can write the function containing variable x in different colors. Okay? After that, we treat y as a constant. We just imagine y is a number like 2 or something. So if we have 2 here, 2 plus 2 equals to 4 over 2 equals to 2, which is also constant. Okay? And y here, let's say we replace by 2. 2 times 2 equals to 4, which is also constant. Right? Then, we can find fx. Okay? We have multiplication by constant here. So, we just keep the constant in front after we differentiate. Alright? Then, we have function or term containing variable x here. And now we want to find the partial derivative with respect to x. So, when we differentiate e to the power of negative x, we can refer derivative of e to the power of single x with respect to x. We get back e to the power of x after we differentiate. So, when we differentiate e to the power of negative x, we will get back e to the power of negative x. But after that, we need to differentiate the exponent. When we differentiate negative x, it becomes negative 1. And in between must multiplication operation. Alright? And then plus. Okay, from here, we have variable x in numerator and variable x in denominator. Means this is division of function with variable x. So to differentiate division function with variable x, and we want to differentiate partial derivative with respect to x, so we need to differentiate using quotient rule. And when we differentiate using quotient rule, we need to identify u and v. U equals to the function in numerator, and v equals to the function in denominator. After that, we need to differentiate u with respect to x, so we have u prime. Then we differentiate e to the power of x plus 2y. Okay? Y we treat as a constant. So y times 2 equals to constant. Okay? So we just imagine we differentiate e to the power of x plus 4, let's say. So we will get back e to the power of x plus 4. Okay? And then we need to differentiate exponent. Differentiate x plus 4 equals to 1 here. Times 1, no need to write. That's why when we differentiate e to the power of x plus 2y, we get e to the power of x plus 2y. Okay? Then we differentiate x with respect to x. So we get 1 here. After that, we substitute into quotient rule formula. So when we differentiate e to the power of x plus 2y over x using quotient rule formula, vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. So we need to cross multiply here to get vu prime. So we multiply x by e to the power of x plus 2y. And then we have minus sign here. And we multiply u and v prime. So we multiply e to the power of x plus 2y times 1. So we get back e to the power of x plus 2y. And then over v squared. V equals to x. And then squared. Right? After that, we replace here. Okay? when we differentiate e to the power of x plus 2y over x, we get x e to the power of x plus 2y minus e to the power of x plus 2y over v squared. And then plus sign here because we follow this sign. Alright? And after that, we can simplify. Okay? Negative 1 times negative 1 times e to the power of negative x equals to negative e to the power of negative x. We just multiply in numerator only. Okay, because e to the power of negative x times negative 1 here means over 1. So over 1 we multiply by y here. So we get e to the power of negative x, and then we have negative here because from negative 1 here, and then y plus 2 over y, and then plus this function, right? Or we can write in the other terms or the other form, okay? So we can write fx equals to, we can move down e to the power of negative x. When we move down, we get e to the power of positive x. Okay, we still have negative here. Okay, and then negative y plus 2 over y. And then we move down, we get e to the power of positive x. And then from here, we can factorize e to the power of x plus 2. So we get x minus 1 in bracket. Right? Or in other form, we can write fx equals to, okay, since we have positive sign here, so we can move positive sign in front. And then negative sign here, we write at the back. So we get x minus 1 times e to the power of x plus 2y over x squared, and then minus y plus 2 over y e to the power of x. Alright, so we can write fx equals to this form or this form or this form. Alright. Now we look at how to find fy. Fy means the partial derivative with respect to y. So to avoid confusing, we can put variable y at the back. And we separating variables and constant. Okay. And to avoid error, we can write the function or the term containing y in different colors. Okay. And then we treat x as a constant. So e to the power of constant also equals to constant. Okay. And then 1 over x here. Okay. 1 over constant equals to constant. Right? And after that, we can find fy, means the partial derivative with respect to y. Okay. First, we separate variables and constant. Okay. Variables here means variables that we want to differentiate. In this case, variables means y and constant means x. Right? So from here, we have multiplication by constant. So we just keep the constant in front after we differentiate. Okay. And then we have y plus 2 over y. Now we want to differentiate with respect to y. We have variable y in numerator and variable y in denominator. So this is division of function with variable y. So to differentiate this function, we need to use quotient rule. And when we use quotient rule, we need to identify u and v. U equals to the function in numerator, which is equals to y plus 2. And v equals to the function in denominator, which is y. Okay. After that, we find u prime. We differentiate u with respect to y. So we get 1 here, because when we differentiate y, we have 1. And when we differentiate constant 2, we have plus 0 here. No need to write. Okay. And then v equals to y. So when we differentiate y with respect to y, it is equals to 1. Okay. After that, we substitute derivative of y plus 2 over y with respect to y into quotient rule formula vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Okay. So we need to cross multiply v and u prime. So v times u prime equals to y times 1 equals to 1 equals to y. Alright. And then we have minus sign here. And then uv prime. So y plus 2 times 1 equals to y plus 2. Okay. Alright. Since we have y plus 2 here means more than one term. And before that we have minus sign here, so you must be careful because we need to put bracket symbol here. Okay, if before that is minus sign. Okay, so after we simplify, we have y minus y equals to 0, and then we multiply negative and positive 2 here, so we get negative 2 over y squared. Right? And after that, we can put here, okay, derivative of y plus 2 over y with respect to y equals to negative 2 over y squared, right? Then we have plus sign here, so we just follow, okay? And then we have multiplication by constant 1 over x here. So we just keep the constant in front after we differentiate. Alright? And after that, we want to differentiate e to the power of x plus 2y. We have variable y here to differentiate. Okay? So when we differentiate e to the power of x plus 2y, we can refer derivative of basic formula e to the power of x over dx here. We will get back e to the power of x. So when we differentiate e to the power of x plus 2y, we will get back e to the power of x plus 2y. But after that, we need to differentiate the exponent. Okay? When we differentiate the exponent, okay, x, we treat as a constant. So from here, when we differentiate constant, it becomes 0. And then minus 2y. So when we differentiate 2y, we get 2. I mean, this is plus 2y. So when we differentiate 2y, we get plus 2 here. Okay? And after that, we can simplify. So when we simplify, we get negative 2 e to the power of negative x over y squared. We just multiply e to the power of negative x with numerator only because e to the power of negative x here means over 1. So over 1 here, we multiply by y squared. That's why we still have y squared in denominator. Okay, and then 0 plus 2 here means 2 times 1 over x. So we get 2 and then over x and then e to the power of x plus 2y. Right? This is the final answer when we differentiate f using partial derivative with respect to y. When we compare fy and the answer from fx in the previous slide, the answers are different. Okay? Coming up next, higher order partial derivatives. If you like this video, you can subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye. Assalamualaikum.